welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to talk to you about this little tiny gadget that does a really powerful thing. This is a 4K Ultra HD HDMI USB 3.0 video capture card by a company called Kedok. And I had been looking for a really good HDMI capture card, external capture card that I could plug into USB and use different purposes and reasons you might use this, but one of the main reasons I wanted it was to be able to use this camera that I'm using to film this review. It's a high-end camera, and I wanted to be able to use it as a webcam, and this allows you to do that. You can use any HDMI camera as a webcam, but it also allows you to record basically anything through HDMI out, whether that's a gaming system. If you want to record yourself gaming, you can run the HDMI from a game system through this, and just different ways you can use it. And I found this one, and it's full featured. It does support 4K. Now that's 4K input, not output. It outputs at 1080p, but you can input up to 4K, whereas a lot of the HDMI capture cards that are out there, you can only input 1080p. With this one, you can input to 4K, which is awesome. It also loops, so you have the HDMI in, but also the HDMI out. So if you wanted to go HDMI in, and then the USB goes to your computer, but then the out could go to your TV. So if you're playing games and things, you can use it that way. And it's very small, really tiny, but very, very powerful. Now it does have a couple of other features, and I did a separate video unboxing so you can see what all comes in the box. But what I want to do is jump over to some sample footage, because my guess is you probably want to see this in action. So I used it in a bunch of different ways, not just, I did use it with the camera, and you'll see that. But I also used it recording me gaming, and I'm not a gamer. I just recently got a Stadia, so I was using it with that, just so you could see kind of how it works. But you could use it, in multiple ways with the HDMI. So let's jump over to those videos, sample videos, so you can kind of see it in action. So this is just an initial test of the HDMI capture card. Right now I have my Sony ZV-1 Camera, HDMI out, plugged into the HDMI card, and I'm recording both the video and the audio through the camera here. That's going through HDMI into the video capture card, and then I'm recording it on OBS software. So this is just my first time doing this and my first time using it, just to get the initial test to see how well that works. So right now you can see this being used as a webcam. I have my Sony ZV-1 attached to the HDMI card, which is then attached to a Macbook, attached to my TV in my living room. So I'm using it basically as a webcam with my MacBook to do video chat through Google Duo. And what you're seeing is the other person who's receiving this transmission, and what that looks like and what that sounds like, using a professional camera as my webcam. So right now what I'm doing is I am playing this game, but I'm recording the game visually through the video capture card, but I am recording my voice using a separate, more professional USB mic, and I found that's the best way to do it. So, I can narrate and it sounds good. I'm climbing down the ladder, I'm jumping in the water, and now I'm going back up the ladder, and I'm trying to get coconuts out of this tree. And anyway, that's just so you can hear what it sounds like, recording the voice over a separate USB mic, and then recording the video through the video capture card, and then using OBS. Okay, so right now I'm using this in a very unique way. I have my Galaxy S20 hooked up to the HDMI capture card, which allows me to put my S20 into DeX mode, which basically makes it like a computer. And so using my phone as a mouse pad. And so now I'm able to record this through the HDMI capture card, and I'm using OSB as my software for recording. So I can go here, and I can go to apps, and I can go to whatever app I'm going to search just to make it easy. I'm going to search for YouTube and open that up. So I'm opening up the YouTube app, and now I'm going to search for one of my videos right there. And If you haven't watched this yet, that's a funny video. That's just basically me making a fool of myself, emulating a Schitt's Creek scene for a friend of mine to cheer her up because she's been very, very sick with COVID. And this is one of my more recent reviews of Abril. I'm going to open this up and play it just so you can see that this 4K HDMI video capture card is able to record the video that's playing and the audio as well. Shows you what you need to do to put it together when you first take it out of the box. So it's playing, and let's open up the box and see what we got here. See the video and hear the video as well. So besides the wheel, you also get a nice jump rope if you want to. I'm going to get into jump roping as well, and exit out of here. But you can see you can fully use this HDMI capture card to basically record anything that you have playing through it, and in this case my phone in DeX mode. Okay, so I also wanted to just show you that you can record your phone screen. So my phone is plugged into the HDMI video capture card just like it was before, but instead of in DeX mode, I took it out of DeX mode, so now it's just mirroring the screen, and it basically allows you to record yourself. Your screen mirrors everything that's on your screen, everything you do. You could go into developer mode to make it show like your taps and stuff if you were doing a demo, for example. Don't use one of my favorite apps. I get lots of really good deals by checking this app on a daily basis, this one, and also Slick Deals. Anyway, you can see it works to completely record my phone screen, and works great. So just another way you can use the HDMI video capture card. So you can see this does a really excellent job. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Because it's HDMI and supports 4K input, you get the high quality input, you get that full high def output through USB 3.0, which is great because USB 3.0 is faster, so it's going to be better processing of the data to get a very smooth video, and it works great. You could say it worked great as a webcam using this camera and using the built-in mic on this camera. Also worked to do the video gaming. Now this does have a mic in and headphones out on it, so you can plug headphones in to hear what this is hearing. And it does have a mic you can plug into to use. For me, because this is going to be plugged into a computer, I actually prefer using a mic plugged into my computer separately, either a high-end USB mic or a mic plugged into my computer mic input, and having that on a separate channel if I'm using like the OSB software, because then you can independently control the volume. If you're plugging the mic into here, then you can't independently control the volume versus what's coming into the HDMI. So I found that the volume the levels may not be what I want them to be. Whereas if you just use the USB on here and just use this for the sound of what's coming in through HDMI, and then have a separate mic plugged into your computer for like if you're recording video of you playing gaming and stuff, I think that works better because you can independently control the mic volume. But it does have the mic input you can use if you want, so it does have that option. Anyway, again, it is by Kedok. It is a excellent USB 3.0 HDMI external capture card, and if you're looking for one and a high quality one, I would definitely recommend you consider this one. Now it is available on Amazon, and I'm going to have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, you can read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those links are down there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.